Guys, welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to make a working animation with Scratch 3.29.1 version. So first things first, go to file, then click on new, then go to your sprite, pick a character that shows it's working, and then now we'll go to events, drag when flag clicked, and then go to looks and then drag the switch costume block, set it to the appropriate costume that the character will start with first. Then go to motion, then drag this block. This one is for once the character goes forward to a particular position and it stops. Once you press the flag again to go back to this position, the original position, like see. So now we go to events again and bring this when flag click block, and then go to looks and then switch to costume, then we'll go to control. Wait 1 second. You can put any second that's appropriate for you, and go to looks again, put this. To avoid wasting much time, just duplicate them, then put them in their appropriate costumes. Now go to motion and then put for each of them, move 7 steps. You can put any amount of steps you want, but mine is 7. So now, to complete this code, we need to add the forever block. And then let's test it. We need to add one more to this to make it complete. So duplicate this, put it under here, and then switch this to the normal and original one. So it's working smoothly now, but we need to change the amount of seconds it used. Let's use 0.4. Now let's start it again. Nice. Now when it gets here, we want it to like turn around and then start walking this way, like that. So what we'll do is to go to motion, put this block, drag this block in, if on edge bounce at the end of this, and then Set rotation style, left, right. You can also put more here, don't rotate all around. So let's test it now. Good. So it's working now. The last thing to do is to put a backdrop. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and watch out for more videos when I post. Thank you.